In this video, I'm going to show you how to expand stroke in Affinity. So the first thing you have to do here, you want to go ahead and go to the vector tool and click on over here to actually create a shape with a stroke. So here I'm just going to create a rectangle like this. And I'm also going to go ahead and basically make it to where it's just stroke. There we go. And then, of course, if you don't know how to do this, you want to click up here and then you can go ahead and edit the width of this stroke, or you could click on here as well and change this. That's completely up to you, however you want to do it. And to actually expand it, you want to right click anywhere on this object, on this stroke, and then here is going to say expand stroke. This is going to turn it into curves, and now from here you want to click on the node tool over here on the left, and then if you zoom in, you'll be able to see those red dots and squares. So if I now drag this out, as you can see, I can now pretty much expand this stroke freely. Okay, so I can do whatever I want with it. I can make it as weird as I want, and yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.